Hello guys, welcome again to my channel. It's J-FX, your mentor's mentor. It's been a while, trying to wrap things up. How have you all been? How's your weekend? How's everything? So let's just, for the sake of time, let's just move directly straight down to what we're going to be looking on today. So today we're going to be looking on a few things. The US, they have cut down their interest rate already, so we have been seeing a drastic movement in the market. When I mean a drastic movement, a fall down in the market, you understand? It has been bearish for the whole month. Yeah, it has been bearish for the whole month, and it's likely that they might also cut rate again with 50% BPS. All right, so we are looking on this, but for the meantime we have not taken any trade yet on GBPUSD. Sometimes it's not all about taking trades. It's how you spot your entry. If you see that your entry is being given in the market, then that's when you enter. So you don't force trades, you allow the trades come to you. So far the less, you have not seen any opportunities here on the GBPUSD, because it has been buying and buying and buying to the upside. Yeah, just like that. And you cannot buy at the top when you haven't gotten a clear confirmation. Also, if you check again the Euro USD, yes, it's currently at a high. It was at about 23rd of August. Yes, on the 23rd of August, the same high it was on 23rd of August is actually retesting that resistance zone. So let's see if this resistance zone here is going to hold or it's going to break. Or possibly, I'm expecting, with the way the US is currently looking at the rates intake and all that, so possibly I'm expecting a break to the upside. But I'm not taking any trade yet on this because I'm not certain, you understand? So this market has been on the long run, on a bullish run for a while now, so I won't be taking any trade here on the Euro USD. I'm having a slow network right now. Also, we'll just wait so this comes back up. Network is kind of bad here on my end. Also, looking at the AUD USD, yes, it's another pair again. All these are USD correlated pairs. All right, all these are USD correlated pairs. Like, they does their thing that what the dollar gives, they obeys in the opposite direction. If the dollar is bearish, all of these pairs like the GBPUSD, the EURUSD, and the AUD will be bullish. And if the DXY, which is the dollar, is bullish, these pairs will be bearish. Alright, so I'm really having a slow network right here. Okay, I'm slowing down. Alright, so I took a loss on this trade though, at about 18th of September. Yeah, I took a loss on this trade. Yeah, I actually analyzed and did some stuff here, so I took a loss on this trade and I just stepped out of the market. This is the importance of stop loss. So just imagine it entered from here and you didn't put a stop loss. This would have been a lot of losses, possibly might have blown your account, you understand? So back to the euro dollar. Yeah, it was low. So if you see very well, you see that it's actually really retesting the previous high it created at about 25th of August. All right, so it's retesting that high once again. So we're looking at a lot of things here. We're actually really looking at a lot of things here. All right, but we're not going to take trades on this. But the market which I have been taking trades recently, which have been profitable recently, is this. All right, this is one of the pairs which I have been trading recently, because the markets, you see a setup at the market, you actually jump on. Right, so this is the GBP AUD, the pound oxy. So I took this trade from here. I posted it in my community, in my VIP group and in the free group as well. So I posted it there. So I caught this trade right here. The trade was actually right here before. It hasn't got into this place. So I analyzed and saw that the price is going to come back here to hit the 15 minutes fair value gap slash other block, which is closer to it on the 1 hour time frame. It's the 1 hour other block, but on the 15 minutes the 15 minutes fair value gap. So I actually analyzed it and I saw that we're going to come down to this area here, and you see that with 0% drawdown price came, but I had to close it on time because when price was coming down that day, that was when news came out on the US about cutting their interest rate. So I had to close it on time because I know anything can happen. Yes, because the dollar as well do affect the GBP AUD, which I have noticed. It doesn't just affect the GBP AUD, it affects the Euro AUD, but it's not USD correlated pairs, but it does affect it. So I noticed that if you check very well, the actual time that this happened, you see, yeah, it's in between. Yes, exactly. You see, it's 11 o'clock, and this was already 12 o'clock at UTC +1. All right, so I noticed that. So when the price got here, it was already close to my take profit. Okay, so I just had to step out, and many of you might be asking, why did I go out from here? I got out from here on the 50% fair value gap. On the Fibonacci 50% of this fair value gap right here, that's when I had to just take out my profit due to the fact that it was already close, and then it went back again. And also I told them in the group and in my community as well that they should also close out because I'm not trusting the market, and indeed market rapidly went up, but though it didn't actually kind of hit our stop loss. Let's see. Yeah, so if for example maybe it's still on this trade, stop loss is highly still protected because it didn't actually really touch our stop loss. So for what I'm actually really expecting on this pair right now is that, because currently now I'm not in any trade in this pair, so I'm expecting a price to come back down and fill this zone right here, this 1 hour fair value gap, and fill it right here before we move to the upside. But if that doesn't happen, that's where our stop loss is in place. I had to make our stop loss a bit wider because of this zone here. So because price might actually come down to this 1 hour fair value gap, and also take out the stop losses that is resting underneath here, which is clearing out the liquidity. And you know how price love to clear out liquidity, so we don't want to be a liquidity ourselves, so we need to extend it. So I know that whenever price hit our stop loss right here, I know that definitely the market trends have changed to the downside, and the downside continues. Yeah, all right, so that is for the GBP AUD. Then for the USD card, I've not really taken any trade on this pair now. I'm not really taking any trade on this pair. I wanted to actually get on right here. No, not there, not there, not there, not there. Yes, I wanted to get on right here. Let me go to the 15 minutes to show you that very well. Yeah, I actually wanted to get on right here, but price did not actually trigger by some. So it was just just doing a thing, and blah 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 blah, just like that. So see how it went up, came down, was trying to go up again, stuff like that. So it didn't come here, and if price doesn't come to my entry, I don't take the trade. So I don't want to be greedy or want to have the fear of missing out for more. So now, and you see how price is just keep dropping down. Now a lot of people will be saying, now some traders might say, okay, the fact that it's trying to retest back up again, let's just take a sell, it's going to keep selling. And then what happens if the price just boom, all of a sudden move up? And now if maybe you're saying that, okay fine, you want to buy, and what happens if all of a sudden the price moves down? That is where your skill set comes to play, your strategy, the way you analyze and look at the market. That's when it comes to play. You don't just take trades to avoid unaccounted losses. You understand? Now the Euro AUD is another pair again which have been so profitable to me lately. Like, it has been so profitable, more than the GBP AUD. So yeah, the day I caught the GBP AUD trade, that was the same day I caught the Euro AUD trade, and it was so slick. And if you check very well, you see that it was also almost 0% drawdown as well. So I caught the trade right here, and my take profit was right here, and my take profit got hit, I think, within hours. Yeah, it was not up to a day though. It was not up to a day. It was just several hours. That was how we triggered our take profit. And when we triggered our take profit, I know it was going to buy from here, so I took another bullish trade again from here and set my take profit at the 50%, fair value gap. Let me show it to you. Let me just take it back. Yeah, just like that. So right here, if you see very well, this was actually where I took my take profit. But you see very well that price actually broke through that area and came up to this region here to test the 15 minutes order block. Yes, you see, like price sometimes they respect other blocks, sometimes they respect favorable gap. It all depends. You understand? It all depends. So that is for that, how I caught it. But currently now on this trade, I am on the neutral side. So I've not gotten any opportunities here. I don't rush trade. If you're in my community, you know that we don't rush trade, but when we catch our trades, it's a huge win. And we caught until less than almost 200 pips here on this trade. I think 100 and something pips on this trade. Yes, sorry, 134 pips on this trade. And on GBP AUD, we caught 180 pips on that trade. Yeah, let me show it to you and bring it up. So sorry about the ad. So right here I cut, this is it from here. Oh yeah, 140 pips as well. That's what I caught on the GBP AUD trade. So this trade right here is also still doing its thing, so I'm still waiting like for a better confirmation. So that is it. I just gave a brief summary of how market has been doing recently. Note that if you actually are this kind of a trader that will just want to rush into the market, you just want to make money, trust me, you're going to lose that money. You're going to blow up your account, you're going to lose your capital. Note that don't frustrate in let the trade comes to you, and then when it does, that's when you strike. You take it like that, you understand? So that is for that. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel, and also turn on the notification bell to be getting latest updates. And also, if you like any place for us to cover how we do catch 0% drawdown entry models and everything about what we do, how profitable our community is, don't forget to actually leave a comment on it, because more videos are actually coming on. All right, so thank you for watching to this level. It's JFX, your mentor's mentor, signing out.